So this is the case of detransposition of great arteries. What you see in this image, apical 4-chamber view, right side of the chamber, severely dilated, indicative of the pressure or volume overload on right side. You see the D-shaped left ventricle, suggestive of raised right ventricular systolic pressure. What you see in this case, aorta and pulmonary artery both are in parallel arrangement, so indicative that transposition of great arteries. Whenever you see both aorta and pulmonary artery parallel in arrangement, in one plane you can see both in longitudinal view, so that is the case of transposition of great arteries. Obviously this is the case of detransposition of great arteries. This is the image. You see left atrium, left ventricle, this is pulmonary artery, this is right ventricle and aorta. So whenever you see both in the same plane, both in the longitudinal axis, the long axis, you see the aorta is also in long axis, pulmonary artery is also seen in long axis, that indicates transposition of great arteries. Whenever pulmonary artery arises from left ventricle, that goes posteriorly. If it had been aorta, then it would go anteriorly. So a structure that arises from left ventricle is pulmonary artery because it goes posteriorly. At the same time, you see the plane, this is interventricular septum, this is anterior plane of pulmonary artery. Both is in the same plane. That means this is pulmonary artery. If it had been aorta, then plane would be different one. This is the line of IVS, and that will be line of the aorta. So this is the IVS, and then there will be aorta like this. So whenever you see a structure arising from left ventricle and going posteriorly, that means that is pulmonary artery, and the case is detransposition of great arteries. You have to rule out the detransposition whenever you see this kind of finding. So this is parasternal long axis view, showing you aorta and pulmonary artery both in the same plane in long axis. In normal case, what you see, whenever you see aorta in long axis, you see the pulmonary artery in short axis, a longitudinal plane, then one is in the transverse plane. That is the main point to know from this video or this image. Thank you.